washed me out. The way was carved in ice, the tokens of a buried past, the shavings of a heavy life. The wind blows each and every way. It's not for me, my heart to steer. I cast up what I have each day. The river flows the whole long year. Hard road under the night sky. Keep on traveling. Fare thee well, my love. Hard road under the night sky. Keep on traveling. Fare thee well. So far now colors can't be seen. The distant call of far-off stars, a haunting of what might have been. And all an ending was begun. Come with me across the care-trod floor. Come with me to the holy song, and with time's passing to the core. Hard road under the night sky. Keep on traveling. Fare thee well, my love. Hard road under the night sky. Keep on traveling. Fare thee well. She knows how and she knows when. She's born to die and live again. She knows from all to build a nest. She knows the dance that burns her best. From the ashes feathers share the purest sound to leaden heads. Sung from her breast bends the oak trees, winged wind song sung so holy.